Rule 1, the sum rule. The derivative of f plus g equals f prime plus g prime. Simply differentiate each function separately and add the results. Example, y equals x cubed plus sine x. The derivative is 3x squared plus cosine x. Visually, if the blue curve is x squared and red is x, the green curve is their sum x squared plus x. The slope of the green curve at any point equals the sum of the individual slopes. Rule 2, the difference rule. The derivative of f minus g equals f prime minus g prime. Exactly like the sum rule but with subtraction. Example, y equals e to the x minus x squared. Derivative is e to the x minus 2x. Why does it work? From first principles, the limit of the combined difference splits into individual limits, giving us f prime plus or minus g prime. Simple and elegant. Rule 3, the product rule, also called the Leibniz rule. The derivative of f times g equals f prime times g plus f times g prime. Memory trick, first's derivative times second plus first times second's derivative. In short notation, uv prime equals u prime v plus uv prime. Here's the visual intuition. Think of the product u times v as the area of a rectangle with sides u and v. When u increases by do, we get a thin vertical strip of area u prime times v. When v increases by dv, we get a thin horizontal strip of area u times v prime. The total change in area is u prime v plus uv prime. That's the product rule. Let's work through an example. Find the derivative of x squared times sine x. Let u equal x squared and v equal sine x. Then u prime equals 2x and v prime equals cosine x. Applying the product rule, u prime v plus uv prime. That gives us 2x sine x plus x squared cosine x. Notice how each term contributes, the first function's derivative times the second, plus the first times the second's derivative. Rule 4, the quotient rule. The derivative of u over v equals u prime v minus uv prime, all divided by v squared. The popular mnemonic, low d high minus high d low over low low. Here low means denominator, high means numerator, and d means derivative. Look at the color-coded formula, numerator's derivative in green times denominator in red minus numerator in blue times denominator's derivative in orange, all over denominator squared. Critical warning, the order matters. It's u prime v minus uv prime, not the other way around. Swapping gives the wrong sign. Example, find the derivative of sine x over x squared. Let u equal sine x and v equal x squared. So u prime is cosine x and v prime is 2x. Applying the quotient rule, u prime v minus uv prime over v squared. That gives cosine x times x squared minus sine x times 2x divided by x to the fourth. Simplifying by factoring x from the numerator, x cosine x minus 2 sine x over x cubed.